Hello guys, today I have received this package and let's see what's inside.
Here we go.
So as you can see, I have received this train from Relet. It's Slovenian Railways 541013 limited edition with Armdudler commercial. And let's take a look inside. So in top we get some manuals. We get this certificate because the train was made in limited edition. Inside we get all of these extra details. Ziploc bag to put extra pieces inside. And of course the train itself.